Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up your Portronics Beem 450 projector. Let's get started. Unboxing. Inside the box, you will find the Beem 450 projector, one HDMI to HDMI cable, a remote control, a power adapter, a user manual, and a cleaning kit. Product overview. This projector can rotate up to 90 degrees for flexible positioning. At the back, you will see multiple ports. A power port, IR port, USB port, aux port, and a HDMI port. On the front, there are two sensors, one for autofocus and another for auto keystone correction. Setup. Connect the power adapter into the socket and plug it into the projector. Press the power button and projector will start automatically. It will perform autofocus and auto keystone adjustment within a few seconds. Once that is done, you will see the home screen and you are ready to begin. Connecting to Wi-Fi. On the home screen, go to the settings option, select network, then wireless network, and then turn on Wi-Fi. You will now see a list of available Wi-Fi connections. Choose your home Wi-Fi, enter the password, and connect. That's it. Your projector is now connected to the internet. Connecting to Bluetooth. Open the setting menu again. Select Bluetooth and switch it on. Make sure your Bluetooth speaker or headphone are in pairing mode. Once it appears on the list, click on the device name and it will automatically connect. Now your projector is connected to Bluetooth and ready for wireless audio. Screen mirroring for Apple devices. To mirror your Apple device, go to the screencast option on your projector. Switch it to the AirPlay mode. Now on your iPhone or iPad, open the control center and tap on screen mirroring. You will see Beem 450 listed among all the available devices. Tap on it and within a few seconds, your Apple device screen will appear on the projector. You can now stream YouTube, Netflix or any other content directly from your device. Screen mirroring for Android devices. Go to the screen mirror option on your projector and select Miracast mode. Now on your Android phone, open settings or the quick panel and look for cast or screen share option. Tap on it and you will find Beem 450 in the list of available devices. Select it and on your projector's remote, press pair when prompted. That's it. Your Android phone is now connected and ready to mirror your screen seamlessly. Updating built-in apps. To update the pre-installed apps on your projector, go to the App Store. You will see a list of apps that come preloaded. Select the app you want to update and simply click Install or Update. The app will automatically update to the latest version. To install new apps on your projector, open the Play Store. Sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, you can browse and install any app of your choice, whether it's Jio Hotstar, Z5, YouTube, or anything else you prefer. Keystone correction, go to the settings and click on projection. Here you will find several options including auto keystone correction and manual keystone. If you want the projector to adjust automatically, keep the auto keystone correction turned on. If you prefer manual control, turn auto keystone off. Then select manual keystone. Now you can fine-tune the angle using your remote control until the screen looks perfectly rectangular. For digital zoom, select the digital zoom option in the same menu. Use the remote to increase or decrease the zoom level as needed using the remote control. Now let's take a look at how to use remote control. On the top left corner, you will see focus button, one for increasing and another one for decreasing the focus. Press the plus button to sharpen the image or the minus button to reduce the focus until your screen looks clear. And a mouse button that lets you control an on-screen cursor using arrow keys on the remote, just like navigating with a mouse. There is a setting button for quick access to projector settings. You will also find a home button to quickly return to the main menu and volume plus and minus button to adjust the sound, and finally a mute button to instantly turn off all the audio. When you are done using the projector, simply press the power button on the remote. You will see three options on the screen: turn off, reboot or connect to Bluetooth speaker. Choose one that you need using the arrow keys and press OK to confirm. Your Portronics Beem 450 is now fully set up and ready to use. Enjoy movies, shows, presentations on big screen anytime, anywhere.